I'm Razz Jones and this is my bike check. Start off, we've got McNeil bar ends, aluminium ones, that's when you drop your bike they get sharp, which is always good. I have United Nathan William grips. I have We the People OD bars, 8.5 Razz, pretty good. I have a Sunday free stem, which is a good top load stem, especially for the price. I have a United headset, which I've had for about a year and it's still going, which is good. I have We the People helium hollow forks, 25mm offset, which is good. I have a cinema stuffed front wheel from an old United. I have salt pegs on the front, because I'm cool, because I run 2 pegs on the front. I have one G Sport hub guard, because I'm that G. I have a Primo Dirt Monster in 2.2, courtesy of Ryan Davis. I have a Sunday wave frame, 21 inch I think, but it's good. I have We the People Royal cranks, match my bars and forks, standard cranks 175mm. I have Shadow notch grip pedals, which are good as well, not too grippy, not too slippy. I have a We the People Supreme sprocket in 32 for a lot more power, because I'm a man. I have an Exposure half link, not much to say about it, it's not the best chain in the world, but it's not the worst one I've had. I have an Odyssey hub on the back, left hand drive, placed to a sun brim, which is good as well. It's alright. I have a stolen peg on the back, which I was given, as well as an Odyssey hub guard. I also have a Primo V Monster, thanks to Dom Kelly in 2.1. I have a BSD fat seat, best seat you'll buy, and the standard stock post. And I have a Slot Plus bottom bracket, which is good as well. That's my bike.